The plowshare may have destroyed more options for future generations than the sword.
Wes recognizes that we are in much deeper trouble than most of us want to admit.
Start with the idea. Soil is as much of a non-renewable resource as oil.
99.9% of our original prairie is gone.
Our food production relies on the soil built by the ecosystem that preceded it.
It's all about the prairie. If we don't preserve it, it won't be here.
So we have to respect our Creator Earth.
Wes believes in unbounded enthusiasm.
This farm boy turned Darwinian evolutionary biologist.
I really don't fit anywhere. Certainly don't fit in a university. Don't think I would fit as a farmer.
This guy with all these wild ideas is the most important environmentalist most people have never heard of.
In '76, my first wife and I started the Land Institute.
The Land Institute is addressing a shortcoming that has existed in agriculture since it began.
This is a problem of the human mind.
These kinds of big problems require efforts that may take decades.
We're going to try to build an agriculture based on the way natural ecosystems work, but in order to do that, we're going to have to perennialize the major crops. Are you ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? The Kernza Plan.
Why wouldn't we invest in what's necessary to undertake a second agricultural revolution?
We need to increase our imagination about possibilities. Now, let's find the people who do that.
I'm in the clothing business, but right now we're very interested in grains.
People are making Kernza noodles. People are making an ale out of it. Sky's the limit.
I'm imagining new varieties of perennial grains.
Can we actually make it work?
The world combined can do this. People have to see that the call to action is about them.
We've already waited too long, but the sooner we act, the more options for future generations we have.